try as expression, returning values from try-catch blocks. In Kotlin, the try-catch construct is not just a statement for handling errors, it's actually an expression that can return values. This is a powerful feature that makes error handling more elegant and functional. Let's understand the key concept here. In Kotlin, try-catch is an expression, which means it returns a value that can be assigned to a variable. The last expression in each block, whether it's the try block or the catch block, is what gets returned as the final value. Here's a basic example. We declare a variable called result and assign it the value of a try expression. In the try block, we attempt to convert the string 42 to an integer. If the conversion succeeds, the integer value 42 is returned. In the catch block, if a number format exception occurs, we return -1 instead. When we print result, the output is 42 because the conversion was successful. Now let's see what happens when an exception occurs. We have the same structure, but this time we're trying to convert the string ABC to an integer. Since ABC is not a valid number, a number format exception is thrown. The catch block handles this exception and returns -1. So when we print result, the output is -1. Let's break down how this works step by step. First, the try block executes. If no exception occurs, the last expression in the try block is returned as the value. However, if an exception occurs during execution, control immediately transfers to the catch block, and the last expression in the catch block is returned instead. You can have multiple statements in both the try and catch blocks. In this example, the try block first prints a tempting conversion, then converts the string 100 to an integer and stores it in num. The last expression, num times 2, is what gets returned, which equals 200. In the catch block, we print error occurred and then return 0 as the last expression. Remember, only the last expression in each block becomes the returned value. You can also include a finally block with a try expression. The finally block always executes, regardless of whether an exception occurred or not. However, it's important to note that the finally block does not affect the returned value. The value is still determined by the last expression in either the try or catch block. The finally block is useful for cleanup operations like closing resources. Let's recap the key takeaways. Try-catch can be assigned to variables because it's an expression in Kotlin. The last expression in each block becomes the value that is returned. This feature makes error handling more functional and concise, allowing you to handle exceptions while still maintaining clean, readable code.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.